Oh.
On went the mouse through the deep, dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good.
Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come for a feast in my log pile house.
It's wonderfully good of you, Snake. But no! I'm having a feast with a gruffalo.
A gruffalo? What's a gruffalo?
A gruffalo? Why didn't you know? His eyes are orange. His tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back.
Purple prickles? Where are you meeting him?
Here, by this lake. And his favourite food is scrambled meat.
Scrambled snake. It's time I did. Goodbye, little mouse.
And away Snake slid.
Silly old snake, doesn't he know?